In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily initiate a return for an item you purchased on eBay. Navigating the return process might seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you can efficiently handle your returns and hopefully make the experience as stress-free as possible. First things first, let's make our way to the eBay homepage. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and typing in eBay's URL or just searching for eBay on Google. Once you're on the main page, look for the My eBay option. This will usually be located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find several links. The one you're interested in is Purchase History. Selecting this link will take you to a list of everything you've bought on eBay, neatly organized for you to review. If you're wondering why this is your go-to for returns, it's because it conveniently shows all your past and present transactions right in one place. Now let's focus on the item you want to return. In your purchase history, you'll see entries for each transaction, including details like the item name, the seller, and the status of delivery. Find the specific item you'd like to send back. Have you found it? Great. You'll notice next to most items, usually on the right-hand side, a button or a link that says More Actions. Give More Actions a click. This will open up a list of potential options for that purchase, providing you with multiple paths to address any issues you might have. For our purposes, you'll want to select Return Item. Clicking this link will redirect you to another page where you can start the return process. This new page is where you'll specify the reason for your return. eBay offers a range of categories such as Item Not As Described or Changed Mind to help both you and the seller understand why the item is coming back. It's important to be as honest and clear as possible in this section to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. Once you've made your selection and added any additional information needed, you simply submit your return request. And there you have it. Your return is officially in progress. Keep an eye on your email for notifications from eBay, including approval from the seller and instructions for shipping the item back. Generally, returns are processed efficiently, but occasionally it might take a little longer, depending on the seller's policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next transaction, whatever it might be, goes smoothly. Until next time, happy shopping, and if needed, happy returning.